Hi everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. I hope you're all doing very well despite all the craziness that's happening in 2020. Today I came out with this blue and green eye look. It basically is just a two-tone blue and green eyeshadow look, which I created by using the NYX, not very good with French, but NYX Avant POP. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I created this, then please keep on watching. So first I'm just going to get my brows on, then prime my lids with the Huda Beauty the Overachiever Concealer in the shade Nougat and set it with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. Then I'm going in with the crease eyeshadow brush and picking up this blue shade in the NYX Avant Pop eyeshadow palette, and I'll apply that onto the base of my lid and blend it out towards my brows. I'm curling my lashes with my favorite lash curler by Quo. And to get more pigment out of this color, I'm going to pick up some more of this blue shade with my finger and apply it onto the base of my lid. Now I'm going to wing my eyes with the Essence Super Precise Liquid Eyeliner and tightline with the Morphe Pencil Liner in Dark Room. For this look, I used the Morphe lashes in Calabasas. Next, I'm going to put on my foundation. I used the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade 2 and 2 Buff. With only foundation, my face always looks super flat. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Morning Concealer in the shade 463 Cashew to conceal under my eyes and blend out using my finger. Then I'll set all that with the Huda Beauty powder using the e.l.f. pointed powder brush. To contour, I'm using the Morphe Dimension Effect Contour Stick in the shade Effect 16. I kind of ended up with a weird contouring on my forehead, but oh well. And I also messed up my contouring my nose, so I ended up using a bronzer to contour that area. I used the Huda bronzer by Benefit to bronze up all the contour areas and my nose using an angled contour brush and a small crease brush. Then I'm using the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop to highlight my cheekbones, nose, and cupid's bow, again with a crease brush. But we're not done the eyes yet. I'm using a tapered eyeshadow brush to apply this green shade from the palette, and I'll apply that right under my waterline, focusing on the outer corners to the middle of my eyes. I wanted it to be more pigmented on the outer ends, So I picked up some of the product with my pinky finger and focused it where I wanted. Then using the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara, I'm just going to apply that onto my lashes and give my falsies and real lashes a seamless finish. And for my lower lashes, I'm using the CoverGirl Plump Crusher Mascara, one of my favorites. Next, I'm just gonna set my face with my two favorite mists. Now I need something for my lips. I'm using the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Lolita. And with a few presses up the lips, I am done my look. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So until next time, stay you, stay beautiful. Bye my loves!